Hello everybody, welcome to this talk on how to sell your personalized products online. So I'm Alexandre Pullman, I'm a business analyst at Odoo, and if you have questions you can scan this pad and we're going to discuss your different questions at the end of the talks. So first, I want you to meet Fabien, but I want you to meet Fabien before Odoo, when life was tasteless and when companies were struggling with their ERP. Fabien, he was selling personalized products, Linux merchandise, goodies, accessories, and t-shirts, and he was doing that on the side. He was studying, and he was selling that on the side to just make money and to give it to the open source. Sorry. So I'm going to show you how we can sell products online on a website, but two things. First thing that I'm going to show you is how your visitor can personalize product on your e-commerce. So here we have our website, Tiny Linux, and I'm going to go to my shop, and I'm going to purchase this Linux pen. Here you can see that you can personalize it by adding your specific name on the pen, and you can choose if it's the below part or the upper part that you want to personalize. In my case, I will do it like that, and I'm going to add my name, and I'm going to purchase the product. Sorry, let me just do that. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna purchase it. As you might have seen today, you can just enter your address, and you can then choose the delivery method and the payment method as well. So here I'm gonna purchase it. Okay. So now that we have the order, we can go into the backend and see what it looks like. So here I have all my sales, and as you can see, here I have my products and my delivery. I chose it to be free at the moment, but as you know, you can connect with bpost or SendCloud. We can connect with a lot of different shipping providers. So in this case, as we are selling this product, we are also going to deliver it. So if you go to the delivery, you can directly see that I should be delivering this specific product to a specific client, which is the person who purchased, in this case, me. And in this case, I have to take the product in the shelf to put it there and to personalize it with my machine and to add the specific name Alexandre on it. Once this is done, you're going to deliver and you're going to validate. So here you saw that I purchased and delivered my specific product. So if I go back to my presentation, the order flow is the following one. We place an order, then we process it. Okay, I know that someone purchased from my website, and then I need to pick and pack it. So I'm going to take it into the shelf, and I'm going to pack it. In this case, I'm also going to personalize it, and then I'm going to ship and deliver it to my client. But I have different pain points. As I said, you know, Fabien is doing something on the side. He has to manage the stock. Imagine that if you are selling t-shirts, you have 10 different sizes in 10 different colors. It means you have 100 t-shirts just for one of each item, which is a nightmare if you have to manage that. Even if you are not working from your home, it's a lot of product that you need to stock. You also have the supplier management that can be a pain point. Why? Because you have to purchase from someone, you have to make sure that they deliver the product at the right time. Maybe they're going to increase their price, you don't know what it is. And then you have to deliver. So every time someone purchases something from your side, you have to take the pen, to put it in a pack, to go to the post, to post it there, and so they can deliver it. So those are all the pain points, and what I'm going to show you today is how we can improve those pain points. Here today I'm going to show you the integration that we have with Gelato, which is a print-on-demand platform. So the advantages of Gelato is that they have hundreds of products. They have global and local production, meaning that we can deliver and produce everywhere, and so we can have a fast shipping because they have a lot of different production places. So let's get back to my website, and here what I'm going to show you is that it's not your client who will personalize it, it's me who will personalize it. As I said, I'm going to sell Linux products, and so here on my shop, you will see I have a lot of different products. And in this case, I'm going to buy the t-shirt. So I'm not going to personalize it this time. It's just that me, as Fabien, as the seller, I decided that I love this logo and I wanted to put it on a t-shirt. So that's what I did, and you will see that when people purchase it, my life is so much easier. So I say, okay, the person on my website, they're going to purchase the L product, let's say. I need this. I'm going to view my card, and I'm going to again do the checkout, enter my information, confirm, and I'm going to confirm then. Oh, sorry. I wanted to show you this. As I'm connected with Gelato, they also can give me, so they push into my database the information of the standard delivery will be €4, and you can also select the express delivery, but in this case I think it's too expensive compared to the price of my t-shirt, so I'm not going to take it. I'm going to confirm, and I'm going to enter my credit card information, and I'm going to pay. So now I'm going to show you what happened. The payment is being processed. I have now a new order, which is this one. And as you can see, I don't have the small icon here, delivery, that I had before. Why? Because Gelato will deliver it for me. So now, if I go to Gelato, which is the platform we integrated with, if I go to all the orders that I have, you will see, I think this is the new one. Yep. So this is the new order that I made, okay, for this specific t-shirt on this size and things like that. And Gelato will take care of the printing, the sending, and the delivering, and send emails with the order, shipping status and things like that. And just like that, they will deliver the product directly to my client without me having nothing to do except placing my logo on a t-shirt and things like that. And so now I show you, because I received the t-shirt, I know I have the t-shirt, it's a S, so if someone wants it, I can give it to this person at the end of the talk. And so now, how does everything happen just like that? You have some configuration to do. I won't do everything with you right now because it's not the purpose of the talk, but we have a documentation explaining all the steps that you have to follow. But what you have to do and what you have to understand is that we have a setting called Gelato, where you have to enter specific keys that we don't see here, but that you can take from your Gelato, which is a free platform. You just pay every time that someone orders something. You will pay a certain amount for the production and the shipping for them, but and then they will just invoice you this amount. But you can sell the T-shirt that you need to pay 13 euros. You can sell it, I don't know, 30 euros if you want to. So how do I get those keys? I can be in Gelato. I go to developer mode. As I say, I won't do the entire flow with you, but just to show you how it works. And here we're gonna just add a new API key. You enter a name, it will give you a key specially for that. And then you have to enter the second one, which is a webhook. You just create a new webhook. You follow the documentation. It can seem technical, but it's really easy if you follow the different steps. And here together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new product together, and to show you the power of Gelato. You will see here I have my two products that I created, but I will create a new template, which will be a phone case. So I'm gonna choose, as you can see, we really have like a lot of product that you can just print on, but in this case, we're gonna do a phone case. I'm gonna take the phone case, and then we enter into Gelato, and you can create your own design for Apple, whatever iPhone it is. And we're gonna add our little penguin on here. And okay, I want to resize it, I just resize it. And then I continue. You can do a lot of things. You can download the picture if you want to add them to Odoo. You can select and download the picture, but in this case I want to continue. I already have the picture, I will show you. And they already create a description on my website. I continue to price. If it works, yep. And here I have everything, and they tell me the price that they want for me, so it's 16 euros, and shipping cost is approximately 7 euros. So I continue, I save the template, I give it a name, I save, and now I will show you how to link it directly with Odoo. So I have my new product, I click here, and I copy the template ID. I go to Odoo, I can create a new product, in this case I already created it, with a picture, and you go to sales, you copy paste the template ID that I just had, you save, you synchronize, and just like that, the e-commerce description came, and I'm now able to sell it via my website. Sorry, and here you see directly the description and everything came here. I just need to change the price because if I sell that, I will lose 14 euros, and that's not the goal. But I have the possibility to adapt the price that I want to sell it for 20 euros. And just like that, I can sell it just as I showed you before. Let's get back to my presentation. The difference in flow that we have seen and that you really have to understand is that we have the same steps, but the order placement will be on Odoo. The order processing is exactly where the information is pushed from Odoo to Gelato. So you don't have anything to do more than what I show you, but the processing then is the step where it goes to Gelato. Then we are in Gelato. They do the picking, the packing, and the printing, and then they also ship and deliver it to you. As I show you, it works because I received it yesterday. The benefits is you have a really low entry cost because tomorrow I'm a designer or I like to draw. I draw my new drawing. I want to put it on a specific t-shirt that I can do. And it costs me nothing to do. Maybe it costs me 20 minutes. That's all. You outsource the logistics. So all the pain points that I showed you before, stocking, packing, and I don't remember the third one, but let me just check. And also the delivery, sorry, are managed directly by them, so it doesn't take you any time, any place, and it's quite easy to do. And as I said, you have unlimited possibilities because as you've seen on Gelato, we have thousands of products and we have thousands of possible design that we can add on it. And now Fabien is happy because he can manage everything from his room, and it's quite easy to manage. And we have now a working flow. Thank you for this talk, and we can now go to Q&A. You can scan this QR code if you want to. And we can welcome Stan on stage for the Q&A.
Great, thank you, Alexander, for this talk. I will just check for the questions that are coming, so let them write.
Yeah, in the meantime, I can show you maybe all the product that we can have. So if you want to create a new template, you can come here and really see everything that you can add. And really, you can take all the pictures, so you don't even have to take your own pictures. So it can be really powerful. I don't know if you have questions.
Yeah, I do. So first one is, in which country is it available?
So the countries that are available, I don't have a full list, but you can find the full list on Gelato website. We can go and try to check. But I think it's quite large. So just for your information, why did we decide to use Gelato? It's because at Odoo we print like the mugs that you all know with the Odoo, and we decided to use Gelato for that because it's way easier, and also because we were producing them in the UK, and since the Brexit we have to pay a lot in taxes, so we decided to use it for ourselves. So that's why we decided to develop this. And so here to over 200 countries and regions worldwide, with more than 140 partners that have a local production in 32 countries. So I think it's quite large and it can be used by everyone.
Great, thank you. Here is another one. Is it drop shipping basically? And do we plan to integrate it with other drop shipping platforms?
Technically, is it drop shipping? Drop shipping is a big word, yeah, but yes, it's drop shipping because from my point of view, drop shipping is just when you don't have any stock and you outsource this stock and delivery part. So I think it's drop shipping. What I personally don't like about dropshipping is when you add no added value, you just put the right product at the right place with the right advertising. Here, I think you have the possibility to create your own design, and that's what makes a big difference. And the question, do we plan to integrate it with other dropship? I'm not sure, I'm not product owner, but just after we have a Q&A with a product owner, so maybe he can answer that question. But I don't think it's in the plan, but maybe.
Okay, thank you. Is it possible to have only one product on via Gelato on the website and the rest of the products that we can ship with the standard methods?
Yeah, but that's exactly what I did. So here on the website, you see this product is not via Gelato. This product and this product are linked with Gelato. And the phone case now is, I didn't publish, but it's there. And all the other products, I can produce them myself. And so, yeah, you could sell your own collection and you want to try a new specific product. So, okay, I try to put my Linux logo, I really like it, it works. And now I can produce myself and stock it myself because I know it works. And I think you can earn more money if you have your own stock. But to start, I think it's a really good idea.
Great. And you have 2 people who are interested to get the t-shirt, so you can...
But it's a S, so I cannot put it myself.
Okay, that's all for the question. Thank you for the talk.
Okay, thank you guys.